Hello kids, previously we already learned about different types of nouns and pronouns. So today let us discuss in our sixth chapter about nouns and pronouns, which we already discussed in our class. So once again, I am sending you the audio on nouns and pronouns. So what are the different types of nouns we have? Common nouns. The common nouns are we give the names for generally for everything. Commonly what do we call? We call them as common nouns like teacher, friend, doctor, girl, boy. This all comes under the river, sea, city. So for every name, whatever we commonly call, we use the common noun. And proper nouns are particular names given to all this, like Ganga, the river name, Himalaya, the hill name, Ramu, Raju, everything, particularly New Delhi, whatever the names are there, we are using all names, particular names comes under proper noun. In countable nouns, we can count the things or animals or persons. One, two, one cow, two boxes, three glasses, five trees. So trees, glasses, cups, this can be countable. The things which can be countable are called countable nouns. Now coming to uncountable nouns, so we have water, we cannot count it. Sugar, salt, oil, curd, these cannot be counted. So these all count uncountable nouns. Even juices, these all are uncountable nouns. Now if we see, concrete nouns are the nouns which we can feel with our senses. We can touch them, we can see them, we can find them. So these all are the concrete nouns. Abstract nouns are from our mind which we cannot find them, like hungry, how much intelligence, how much brave they are. So such things, how much hungry they are. So these, the nature of the people according to their mind, we cannot find them. So these are abstract nouns. Compound nouns are the nouns which go together, like cupcake. Previously we discussed cup and cake, postman, post and man, jellyfish, jelly and fish, both. So there are two words which can be joined and make into one. So these are called as the countable nouns. If we come to collective nouns, any group of things taken at a time. Already we discussed group of the things, bouquet, group of flowers, fleet, group of ships, pride, group of lion. So anything which is taken in group, we tell they are collective nouns. Now basing on these, we can continue our class and also the pronouns we want to discuss. Since we had already discussed pronouns, take the screenshot of this pronouns chart. We can see subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjective, possessive pronouns, and also we have reflexive pronouns which we discussed previously. So I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are the subject pronouns which we use in the beginning of the sentence. Object pronouns, we use them at the ending. Those are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. These are the object pronouns. In the same way, you can see which possess means the things I have. My book, so I can say it's mine. So such words, his book, her book. The words like his, her, we call possessive. Reflexive, which tells about ourselves. Myself, ourself, yourself, himself, themself. All these comes under the reflexive noun. So check once all the pronouns. If you want, you can go through the previous videos which we have learned about the nouns and pronouns and try to complete the sixth chapter. Now if you see the first one, choose the correct category of the given nouns. You want to select by reading the word. You want to find whether it is a common noun, collective noun, proper noun, abstract noun, or concrete noun. So basing on this, the 5 questions are there. You want to complete the first 5 questions. Now if you see the B question, fill in the blanks with the most appropriate nouns or noun forms. So if you see, my mother bought a pair of dash for me. Pair of what? So picture is given so you can identify easily. In the same way, from 6th to 15 you can read, and according to the option you can pick the correct answer. According to the given blank or given question, you can find them very easily. Try to find them. Now if you see the C bit, choose the pronoun which can best replace the underlined noun. So see the word for names what we are going to give, for animals what we are going to give, if plural is there, if a boy is there, a girl is there, according to that already we discussed. Now try to write according to that. and complete the 16 to 20 bits. Now see the D bit. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate pronouns. Dash is a beautiful painting. Now painting, it is a thing, so we called it as it. In the same way, from 21 to 30 bits, you can read the question. If we see the 21st, either Ram or Lakshman forgot to take dash book. So here two members are there, either Ram or Lakshman forgot to take. What do you use the proper pronoun there? According to that, you want to check it and you want to write the answers from 21 to 30. Now if you see the achievers section, choose the correct option to fill the blank. You can read the question. See, I see some sheep gazing in the field. Dash have been marked. So you can observe. I see some sheep. So sheep they are seeing. So what can we use? Can we use for sheep it, they, them, or this? And remember that sheep, singular is sheep and plural is also sheep. Now coming to 32, a dash of 4 was appointed for the meeting. So dash of 4 members are there, they are in a meeting. What do you call the people, those who are asked to come for the meeting? So basing on the group, you can select the answer. Dash is bliss. So it is a saying. So you can find just by reading the options. So even complete 34 and 35 basing on the question, just try to read and tick the correct answer. We can check it in the online class tomorrow.